Hello guys, good evening. Today I am here in the Green Valley Family Dhaba and Restaurant, and this place is located in near the Chirang district. If you want to see this small garden, then you can come here in the Chirang district, and this place is located in near the national highway, guys. And you can able to see here so many different types of flowers, and roof house also available, guys. Here, look. Nicely decorated, and this roof house is nicely maintained by the owner. You can come here, guys. Look, this house is very beautifully maintained, guys. If you want to see, then you can come. Some people are enjoying at this time. Look, and at this time the weather is very clear and lovely, guys. And if you really want to see this beautiful place, then you can come here, guys. And this place is located near the national highway, guys. And this place is known as shymthaibari, guys. And this is the coconut tree, guys. That means plants, and mango tree also available here, guys. Look, this is the roof house. That means mane थुरिजों लुनाय न' बेखौहाय होनो माने roof house. मोजाङै डेक'रेशन खालामदों बाहाय. नोंथांमोनाबो फैनानै इन्जय खालामनो हागोन. फेमिलिफोरजोंबो फैनानै बाहाय नोङो साहा लोंनो हागोन, कफि लोंनो हागोन. माने गोबां रोखोमनि आइटेम दङ बाहाय. नोंथांमोना फै मालाबा बेरायफै. आरो बाहाय बिफांफोरबो दङ, माने फिसा फिसा बिदिनो गय फुलि, थाइजौ बिफां, गोबां रोखोमनि दङ. नोंथांमोना फैयोबा नुगोन आरोना. These all are the mango trees, guys. Look, very beautifully decorated, guys. Look, around this place only you can able to see flowers and also different types of plants also, guys. Look, and this is the cactus like plant. That means dragon fruit. This is known as dragon fruit. Look, here you can see so many dragon fruit, guys. Look, and these all are the mango tree, guys. Look, very beautifully decorating beside this place, and this place is known as shymthaibari family restaurant, guys. That means family restaurant. नोंथांमोना फैनो हागोन बाहाय. नैबे गासिबो माने थाइजौ बिफां गोजा, गिदिर गिदिर साइजनि आरोना. नै बाहाय माने मावलिबायबो, ब्लुमिं जाबाय, माने फिथाइबो थायनो हासिगौ बियो. नै माने मावलिबाय, बिबार हरबाय. नोंथांमोनाबो फै, बाव नायफै. नैबे जाहैबाय माने माबा ड्रागन फ्रुइट. दा नै मादैयाबो खामानि मावदों, थेला नारलायलायदों. खय बोसोर जाखो मादै खामानि मावनाया? गोबावथारसै. बिसिबां हाजिरायालाय? नोंना बेसेबां मोनो हाजिराया मादै? 260 थाखा सानसेयाव, 60 थाखा. माने मादैनि हाजिराया सानसेयाव माने 260 थाखा मोनो जाहैदों. मोजां, बारा खस्थ' गैया दा?
आं बारा मावनाङा, बे बिबारखौ फानो ना.
आच्छा, बिबार फाननाय?
बिबार फानो, ओमफ्राय
औ,
मानसिफोर गैयाबा बेखौ रोगानानै
एसे माने माबा खालामनाय आरो जायगाखौ फोसाबनानै बे फिसा फिसा माबाफोरखौ रोगानानै माबानाय आरो साइटिं खालामनाय. मोजाङानो, मादैया माने बावनो मावबाय थायो जाहैदों. माने गोबाव जाबाय जाहैदों माने खामानि मावनाया. Look, these all are the small plants and flower. बे गासिबो माने बिफां फुलि गोजा. माने बा एक्जाक्टलि माने नाम गैया. खोस्लि फानाथां माथांसो नुलाय लांबाय आङो. मादै मोनाबो माने बे रेस्टुरेन्टाव माने गार्डेनाव फैदों. माने बिसोरो बिबार नायफैदों. लांगोन खोमा मादै मोना, बुंनो हाया. गोबां रोखोमनि माने फिसा फिसा बिफांफोरबो दं. थाइजौ बिफां, नैबे थास' बिफां बायदि नुयो that means steam flowers थार' steam that means थार' steam माने माबा थारुन मादै मोनाबो नायगासिनो दङ अबेखौ लानो अबेखौ मानो जालायथारदों लोगोफोर नोंथांमोनाबो फै फुरा माने मोजां क्वालिटिनि बिफांफोर दङ माने फिसा माने फ्लावार्सफोरबो दङ बिबारफोरबो दङ नोंथांमोना फैनो हागोन बाव लांफै बे जायगाया सामथाइबारियाव दङ लोगोफोर एनिवे लोगोफोर दिनैनि भिडिअआ बावनो जोब्बाय थेंक इउ